If you have a digital product you want to sell online, super simply, Gumroad might be a great option for you, and I'm going to show you how you get set up today. Hi everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and a few days ago I wanted to start selling a pack of wallpapers. You can see one of them here. I'll put a link in the show notes where you can go ahead and pick that up yourself. But basically I wanted a simple way to sell these products online. I didn't want to set up a website. I didn't want to add it to an existing website. I didn't want to have a whole bunch of complicated code I needed to set up. I just wanted a link. I just wanted a link I could share with people and they could go buy the thing. And so I set that up in just a few minutes using Gumroad. It was super, super easy, and I wanted to show you how that works today. Before we get to the demo, I will say super quickly that this is not a full review of the product. It's not a full walkthrough of every feature. It's a really focused demo of setting up your first product and selling it online and letting customers download it. That's it. We're not going over the full product. There's definitely more to talk about. You can probably find other YouTube videos that go into the full product, but this is just a walkthrough of how easy it is to set up your first product and start selling it today. All right, so like I said, I'm not going to show you how to set up a Gumroad account or anything, but they do make this really easy as part of the onboarding process to create a product. But basically in your account, if you haven't done it during the setup process of your account in general, you can go to New Product here under the Products tab, and then you want to start selling a product today. You can do a pre-order or a membership. I'm just doing a classic product. And so this is going to be a sample photo. And then I can set the price to whatever I want. I'm going to do $10. And you can click this to change the currency to something else if you'd like. This product contains one or more physical goods. If you check that, it just means it's going to make it so that you have to ship something. But we're selling a digital good, so no need for that. So let's customize it now. And so here you can see you can customize your product, your checkout experience, and your sharing. And so you'll see this link up here that once you save and publish, you'll be able to start sharing. So the name comes over, I can change that. I can edit the description. So we're going to do some lorem ipsum here. You'll see this here as a description of the product. And then I can choose a cover photo. So this is huge. You want people to be able to see something. I'm going to do my ABC header. Just as an example, you obviously want this to be a picture of the product, and then you can hit the plus to add more files. So you can have multiple things that they see. So this is going to be like shoes. I'm going to add this photo here. There we go. And then, yeah, they've got two options here. There's different photos you can look at, but yeah, they'll all appear here. And once we kind of look at this in a preview, you'll see, okay, there's the one image. I can go and look at the next one. So you probably want them to be the same aspect ratio. That would be ideal. But yeah, you can add multiple photos if there's multiple products or multiple things you're going to get specifically. That's actually kind of weird, so I'm going to get rid of the big one. So we just have the header image. The call to action is this button here. So I want this. You can also do buy this or pay. I'm going to do I want this. And then a summary of what you'll get. So a zip file with all photos included. All right, so there's just a little thing that goes under here for exactly what will be delivered. You can add some additional details. I don't really need to do that, but these are custom values. Photo format will be JPEG, right? And so you can add these down here. Then there's the content, and this is a really important thing because this is what your customers are going to be able to download after they buy your product. And so you can upload your files, and you can do it from your computer, from an existing thing that you've already uploaded to Gumroad, or from Dropbox. I'm going to do from my computer, and I'm going to do, well, I don't have a zip right now, so I'm just going to do my thank you card. So this is what people get when they order my other product. So it's uploading. There we go. It's there. You can do multiple files if you'd like. And then that's really it. You can do unique license keys, which I didn't do. This is kind of just a general product, but you can do that. Again, I can change the price. Like maybe I want it to be $20 now. So there we go. You can see that updated. Allow customers to pay what they want. So if you want to do that, you can set a minimum amount and a suggested amount for your product. Again, I'm not going to do that. I just want to sell it for a flat fee. Then there's other versions. I haven't really done anything with that. Settings, limit product sales. So if I want to limit this to like the first 100 people, I can do that. So only the first 100 people will be able to download it. Then it'll stop. That's not a thing I want to do. It's a digital good. There's a million of them. There's an infinite number of them. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then allow customers to enter a quantity. Again, with a digital good, I don't really know what you would do with that, but you could do this if you need to sell multiple products potentially to one person. I'm just going to leave it as is. So there we go. That's really it. If I click into the checkout tab, I can see a preview of what the checkout is going to look like. So sample photo, and then this is what the customer will fill out. We can modify the payment form to basically show the full name, always, never, or when it will increase conversion. I'm not quite sure what that means, but I left that on, I guess. I wonder if that has anything to do with credit card approvals, if sometimes having the name will help with the approval. Not quite sure. Requires shipping information. I'm going to do not required because this is a fully digital good. And then again, those additional fields can go down here. I'm going to do favorite color, and then it's going to be required. You must enter your favorite color. Right, there we go. Receipt, the note that'll put there, just thanks for your support, is probably fine. And then you can add discount codes. Discount codes are cool, so it'll auto-generate one for you, and you can choose the amount off. So this one's going to be, let's do half price. So $10 off gives you $10 after the discount, and let's limit this to the first 10 people who click the link, right? And then I'll be able to track here when I come back to manage this button how many people have actually used one of these codes. And you can do other discount codes. Maybe there's one where I want to give it to people for free. So $20 off, that's 0. That's for like my 5 closest friends. Another discount code, maybe I'm promoting this on another podcast. I'll do $2 off for an unlimited people, but that's 10% off if you use the link in the show notes or like that sort of thing. So cool. And then the share, I need to publish it first. So let me save my changes. There we go. And then publish it. So it's publishing. Now it's live. And there we go. So it takes me to the share page, and then I can tweet, Facebook, or just copy the URL very quickly. So this is what I did. I just copy the URL. If I open a new tab, it's going to show me actually my version of this page, but this is effectively what people will see. They see the product, the price, and all the stuff that we entered, right? And then they hit, I want this. It brings up the form, and favorite color is there, so they can enter that and then make their payment. So that's really cool. I can go back here and see there is some other stuff. I can embed this on a website. So I can do like a buy my product, buy now, right? So I can put a button on my website and copy this to my clipboard to embed that, and that'll have this overlay on there, or I can do a full-on embed, and this is going to kind of embed it on my website. It's taking a minute to load. Hopefully it'll load pretty quick. But yeah, this in theory should load up a little preview of what I would see in line on my website. But yeah, that's really it. You can go ahead and probably copy the URL. That's probably the thing you're going to want to do. But yeah, that's how you get up and running with Gumroad.